I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a bulk action in your subscriber list for Mailingboss. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into the Mailingboss dashboard. I'm going to go to the top menu, choose Lists, and then click on the word Lists. I'm going to be working in Subscriber List C, and from here in the List view, I can click the subscriber icon, or if I go to Grid View, I can find subscriber list C, go all the way over to the right, and click my subscriber icon. On this screen, I can choose bulk action from source. So I'm going to click that button, and there's a couple things you need to know about this action before you actually use it. The first thing is that this is not a list import utility. This is for adding new subscribers, and there's a couple ways that you can do it. The first way is you can add a CSV file by clicking this button right here. The format of that CSV file can be either one email address per row and or the email addresses separated by a comma. The second way is to add it from text. So you can type in or copy the emails and separate each email by a new row or comma. When you choose the file or type in the emails, you can then choose an action. When you click this button, you can choose to subscribe these people, unsubscribe them, disable them, or even delete them if the user already exists. Once you have all of that information filled out, then you can click the Submit button and you will have completed your bulk action. So that's how you complete a bulk action inside your subscriber list in Mailingboss.